Side Perspectives, GeoFox, out here in the park, trying to enjoy as much of the day, earth, and nature that I can. The water drops off. Isn't that cool? You can almost see like I don't know what it is, but like fresh bodies of water excite me. Oh yeah, there's fish. There's some good fish out here too, you know. Growing up as a kid, my grandparents and my mom used to take me here all the time. And we would, walk around, bike, picnics, go to the beach area, barbecue, family reunions, the whole 9 yards. Back down memory lane.